What up, you guys? Today y'all tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and today I'm bringing y'all a little something really ordinary. So how I got this dish is, I used to be stationed in Korea like a year ago, and I've been there 2 times. And I used to love this dish on the really cold days. So it's called Gamjatang. I may be pronouncing it wrong, sorry if I jacked it up. I do not mean to insult anybody, but it's Korean pork neck bones with like cabbage, potatoes, and then of course a couple of other seasons that you mix together. It's gonna be a lot of seasons in there. It's gonna have some flavor. So let's go ahead and get started by what we have here. Okay, so we got some from the right. We got soybean paste. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know that about that who do the seafood boils. We got red peppers. They call for the Korean red peppers, but I'm gonna have to substitute what I have. It called for wild sesame seeds, but all I have is the regular sesame seeds. I couldn't find them in the store. Fish sauce. I didn't really want to go with that, so I looked for a substitute. It's Worcestershire sauce. Then we got the rice vinegar, and we got the bay leaves. We got onions, green onions, ginger, garlic, and black peppercorn. And we got a Napa cabbage here. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our Napa cabbage in boiling water for about 2 minutes to just blanch the Napa cabbage. So we're going to use about 15 Napa cabbage leaves. And we're just going to let that come to a boil for about 2 minutes. We're going to go ahead and take out our Napa cabbage, set it to the side. Okay, you guys, I know y'all gonna be wondering. So I'm gonna blanch the neck bones so I can get all that bone marrow off them. So I am gonna wash them off once they come out of this water. They're gonna go in the water for about 5 minutes just so they get a. You see, I'm gonna show you. I'll show you like one of them. All this extra little stuff like that, you want all that to come off, and that you know, and it just gonna come off in this water right here. Then we'll take them over to the sink and wash them off. You guys don't worry about, we ain't gonna overcook them. They ain't gonna be overdone. It take hours for the neck bones to be done. It probably will take about 3 hours for these neck bones to get done anyway. So we just making it easier for to wash them off. See all that extra blood? We want to get that off. That go come off in here. Now we just go get it about 5 minutes. So y'all can see all that grime that's around the top. See, if you just wash in the sink like that, you're not gonna get all that off, and then that gonna show up in your soup. So we're gonna take them over here, drain them off, and we're gonna wash them off one by one. Okay, now look at that pot. Look at that, all that came out. That's that bone marrow, blood, and different stuff just on them. Yeah, I'm gonna just wash them off. I'm gonna just wash them off with some cold water. So here we have the water. I don't have a cheesecloth, so I'm gonna just have to put all the ingredients in there. So got the black peppercorn pepper, the garlic, green onions. I don't have fresh bay leaves, so I'm gonna use a couple extra dry. Ginger and onions. Rice vinegar. Soybean paste. So then we're gonna go ahead and add in our neck bones. So we're gonna go ahead and let these cook for about 2 hours. Stay tuned, you guys. All right, so we're gonna start making up our sauce. And by the way, I forgot to mention that we need potatoes. I got the potatoes, I'm gonna cut them up, divide them in half. So I got my Worcestershire sauce that's in place of the fish sauce. Garlic. Red pepper flakes. And they want some broth from out of there, just to mix it up. Sesame seeds, grind up into powder. And we just go whisk and combine all this together. We're gonna take 1/3 of the sauce and put it in here with the cabbage and get that nice and mixed up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go over to our pot and put all these ingredients in the pot. The rest of our sauce, the Napa cabbage, and the potatoes. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it up. And we're just gonna let it simmer until our potatoes get done to the softness that we want. We don't want them too mushy though. So about 15-20 minutes. Alright, so here we have the final product of the Gamjatang, sorry if I mess it up. The potatoes are nice and soft, just like I want them, not too mushy. Ooh, then look at that, the meat just pulls straight out the bone. Oh yeah, this could be amazing, you guys. Can't wait to dig into this. So let's go ahead and get us a bowl and get it tried out. So for my side to go with it, I got some white rice. I'm gonna just put it over the white rice. So y'all got about to get me some potatoes, little neck bones, little green onions, jalapenos. Man, this flavor is all through there. I can taste the garlic, the ginger, the onions. Woo! So, yes, I tried this when I was in Korea. Mine is a little less spicy. It's more tolerable. But when they made it, it was a lot more spicy. It would open up your sinuses. But it still has a lot of flavor. If I was just eating it by myself, I would have put a lot more red peppers in there. But yeah, if you never tried this dish, go to a Korean restaurant one day and try it, or you can either try it at home. The recipe is gonna be in the description with all the ingredients and the directions. Thanks for tuning in to your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. Peace out.